Would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose weight quickly and easily without starving? Would you like to achieve permanent weight loss while still eating your favorite meals, like ribeye steak? Hi, my name is Sophia Waldorf. I have tested many weight loss methods, but none of them helped me to achieve permanent weight loss. Moreover, during every weight loss program that I tested, I suffered from hunger and felt pretty bad about myself. Then I found a method that stripped away my fat incredibly rapidly, and I did not have to say goodbye to my favorite calorie-rich meals either. Finally, I managed to lose exactly 95.7 pounds. Meanwhile, I was not starving. I was generally well. I was not in a bad mood, nor was I tired or irritated. If, like me, you followed the advice of every magic program and fitness guru and still remained overweight, then I am here to tell you that it is not your fault. You have just been following bad methods. The solution, if you want to achieve permanent weight loss while still getting to eat your favorite meals, like ribeye steak, Keto Ultimatum Weight Loss System. Keto Ultimatum is the most complex keto weight loss system consisting of 17 modules, which is fully customized for you. Lose weight without starving yourself. No more going hungry. Using Keto Ultimatum Weight Loss System, no more starvation, no more struggling, no more regaining weight. Keto Ultimatum Weight Loss System. You will gradually lose weight month by month until you achieve your dream shape. You don't have to miss your favorite meals. The weight you lose will never return. Keto Ultimatum Weight Loss System includes everything to finally get rid of unwanted weight and keep it off. There is no other comprehensive, complex system for final weight loss. Do you want to easily and finally lose weight while never feeling hungry and exhausted? I will see you on the inside.